The river is ever changing. It changes all the time. Community that has a river needs to understand how it's a part of the community. A lot of plants were brought here to the U.S. during periods of time where people saw the need for some kind of conservation work.
And so we introduce non-native species along the river corridor. In that time, we've seen what damage it can do.
Tamarisk is really impacting the hydrology of the river. It's just changing the way that the river interacts.
If you have black mold in your house, that's an invasive, and it ruins your habitat. It's the same way with an invasive on the river.
It's about keeping them at a manageable level where the natives still can thrive alongside them.
Participate with organizations that help communities help their rivers.
As we restore these watersheds, we get closer and closer to that fantastic wild place that everybody wants to see out here in the desert.